Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I'm JoDee, and I'm glad that you're here. This is Editing JoDee. Actually, JoDee, who just got off of work, who's getting ready to wash her face and then become Editing JoDee. Just popping in to say I love you so much, and thank you so much for understanding that I had to cut the video short last week. But I'm going to continue my Instagram thrifting video right now. We're kind of doing an unboxing and a haul of some of the things that I have thrifted through Instagram live sales. And the thing about it is I don't remember what I thrifted because I had these boxes in my garage and I kept them there for like a good couple of months because I wanted to do this video with you. So I really have no clue what's getting ready to be open. So enjoy the video. I hope you like it. I hope you like and subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Let's see what else I thrifted through Instagram. Okay. Here's another 19-something purchase. Really, I was in love with them for quite some time. I've slowed down. Don't judge. I've slowed down. But at the time, I was going crazy. Let's see what's in this one. It's like all new again. It's like all new thrifting again. Okay. Oh, I thought these were really cute. These are vintage pillow covers. They are very tropical. And as you know, I need my tropical fix. So I bid on those. They're in great shape. I'm gonna wash them. They'll be like brand spanking new. Oh, this was another great get. Okay, so this, I had to put my finger on the trigger. This is a Free People suit jacket, velvet suit jacket. Come on. It's like a tuxedo style suit jacket. Look at this. Satin lapel with black velvet. Needs to be cleaned and hung up because she is current. Oh, and she's new with tags. Oh, did you hear that wind? You hear that wind? New with tags, size large, $148 originally. So there's a button on it. And I got it for $40. Okay, this baby needed to be rescued. She's got some problems, but I think I'm gonna try and make her look better because I thought she was too cute. Coach bag. Look how cute that is. I mean, if I don't go up close, it looks really in great shape. But if I get really close, look at the handles. They need to be fixed. I think I'm just gonna work on getting all this off so that way it's just the fabric. And she's cute. That's when I was in my bag era. Let me tell you, I went pretty crazy for some bags. You'll hear about it soon. I really slowed down on my buying, so I'm trying to get creative on showing you new items because I know you really enjoy that. I know you enjoy thrifting, but if I'm being honest, I'm trying to save up and be a responsible adult now. So with that in mind, that means my impulse shopping has to come to a halt and be put on a budget. Oh, it's a hat. Okay, it's just in the box. Okay. This is a Woolrich, a vintage Woolrich hat. I bet you my husband's gonna want this. But I think it'll look really cute on. I'm gonna have to clean it. I'm gonna run it through the dryer real quick, not too long. It looks like it's in great shape though. I don't think anybody really wore it, but still, just wanna give it a little extra zhuzh before I put it on my dome. And then, oh, okay. I was also in a blanket era, okay? I really wanna make some blanket jackets. That'd be fun, right? For maybe a vlog or two. So I got this ring blanket. I'm not gonna take it out of the container or the bag because they've really wrapped it up good and I can wash them. I can just throw them in the wash. So I got this quilt. And I got, okay, we're gonna make a new jacket. Look how cute. Oh, and these are in great condition too. They look like they're definitely not old. They need to be washed. We're gonna wash them and we're gonna make another blanket jacket. We're gonna make a, what is it called? A granny square quilt jacket. No. A crochet blanket jacket. Yeah, that's what we're gonna make. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love it. I can't wait to wash those and get those going. My next haul comes from April Reeves. She's somebody new I recently found, and I like her because she is a plus size girly and she looks at all the plus size things, and she's also really open and fashionable, and I love listening to her lives even if I'm not gonna buy anything. She's just very conversational and fun to listen to. So April Reeves, I think she was shopping this day and I was going to town. Impulse buying is my weakness, so I need to stop it. It's hard though. There's too many nice things out there, right? What did I buy? This is cute, but it's too small. What the heck? Size medium. What was I thinking? Oh, I was thinking maybe I could use this as a thrift flip. Use the image as part of like a sweatshirt thrift flip. I guess that's what I was thinking. So yeah, I was gonna like take the images and make them into some kind of thrift flip. I don't know, Jody. Girl. These are all mediums, by the way. So, okay. So the images I'm gonna have to cut out and use. This is gonna be a future thrift flip, guys. We have to hold me accountable, please. This one is my size though. I thought it was cute. Actually, it's bigger than me, so it's cute. That's cute, right? A little M&M shirt. Listen, I told you some of the stuff I don't even remember. I do remember going crazy with blankets with her. Blanket jacket. That would be kind of cute, actually. I was in a DIY mode, I guess. Gosh, this one is like houses and cats. This one's golf. I know this one's golf. This one's gonna be fun. Ooh, this one's nice and big too. I can make a nice golf jacket out of this one. Cool, huh? How many jackets am I gonna make? How long is this gonna take me? Okay. Fabric. That's cute, actually. I think it's a tablecloth. Oh boy. A scarf that I thought I could turn into something. And then this is a table runner. I am kind of second guessing this purchase because I just did too much right away on this one. This was like a lot. Okay, moving on. My last package is from probably my favorite seller. She's a high-end seller though. Actually, I have a couple. I don't want to say favorite because I love a couple of these. I love 19 something. I really love this seller. I love Wawa. I love, there's a couple more that I just really love. I'll have to do a video on them sometime. But there's just so many that I really do enjoy. Nikki Terry style, of course, my girl Nikki Terry. She sells such good stuff. She's one of my faves. But what I love about this next seller, her name is Kelsey, and her business is called Valley.Made.Studio. Kelsey is a tall girl like me. So I love that she keeps an eye out for tall products, you know, like pants and stuff like that. But more than anything, I have noticed Kelsey really refine her style recently, and her choices reflect it. She's in Montana, I think, and who knew that the thrifting was so good up there? She gets amazing pieces. I don't know if it's just her eye or if that's what's being sold up there, but her items are a little bit more pricey, but they're worth it. She just does such a great job. So I'm sure, so you notice my box is a little bit smaller from her. I'm sure that I could not afford all the beautiful things that she was selling that day. So let's see what I was able to splurge on. Starting off strong, this is a Classic Elements Woman 100% acrylic sweater. But come on, look how pretty that is. It's just very cute. Look at that color on me. Oh, it's gonna look so good. Very cute. Oh, this is a Carhartt. I got a Carhartt zip up, almost like what I'm wearing right now. But Carhartt, you know, such great quality. Love me some Carhartt. That's all I got. Oh no, there's more. There's more in there. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, this is by Nikki Taylor. Stop it. What? Oh, so good. So good. Look at these buttons, vintage buttons. So good. Like, and it's corduroy, and it's so pretty. Yes, girl. Love, 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 love. Well, I hope you like this video. I hope you get an opportunity to see what it's like to do Instagram thrifting. Like I said, you can go and connect with me on Instagram. You know, make sure you subscribe to me there, like me there, whatever it is. What do you do? Friend me there. And go through my list of the people who I follow. Valley.Made.Studio, 19 something. Locked Vintage is another one that I like to follow. They're fun. They do a Friday night, just like chat and sell, and basically she just talks and she puts up stuff and people bid. It's fun. There are a lot of great secondhand sellers on Instagram. You just need to do your, you know, do your research. Make sure you don't buy right off the rip, especially if they don't have a lot of followers or if they're not connected to some other sellers that are well known. But really, you can find some great items, as you can see, and maybe some not so great items. I am questioning my purchases on some of these items, but listen, I had fun in the moment. I've learned my lesson. I've slowed down. I'm not thrifting as much. Tell me if you thrift online. If you do either online thrifting or even Instagram thrifting, I'd love to know. Leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up for this video. It really helps me grow. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next week. Beautiful. Thank you. Bye.